Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy when I'm back again with another YouTube video. This is a weekly trade recap. It's currently Saturday, January 24th, 2026, 12:29 p.m. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a trade breakdown of the week, what happened this week. This week I did not take a trade. Now I know you're like, why didn't you take a trade? Bro, this week was one of those weeks where you just have to sit back from the markets and let the markets cook. You just let the markets do whatever they want to do, but you don't rush into any trades. You don't let the FOMO get you. So I didn't take any trades this week, and after reviewing it, I actually avoided a couple losses this week. So let's break down these trades. So let's break down the market, sorry. So coming to the market in USD I was looking to buy. Why am I looking to buy? Weekly, we were bullish. Daily, we were bullish. 4 hour, we were also bullish as well. Price, I was waiting for price to come retest the structure point, which it did have the retest. Then have the initial push. So this kind of thing happened on Monday. So I was expecting to buy on Tuesday. Price did this on Tuesday, so I didn't take this trade. Did this on Wednesday, didn't take this trade. And then Thursday, had to push it up, so I gave me a setup. And good thing I didn't take any trades on this, because as you can tell, Friday's candlestick just massive slap in the face. Like that's the only thing I can say. This was a slap in the face. Hold on, is this bright? All right, but yeah, Friday's candlestick was just a slap in the face. It's like, let's say you were taking a trade, the market literally came up to you, slapped you in your face, laughed at you, took your money, and then went. That's the image that I'm getting from this. But yeah, price had a massive push it down. This is one candlestick. This is one daily candlestick. Look at that. Whew, massive sell-off. Anyways, yeah, price did this. So now price is bearish on the weekly, bearish on the daily, bearish on the 4 hour. Man, this is looking good to sell, but we'll come back to that at the end of the video. Overall, good trading week, like on the, or good pair, good movement this week. A lot of consolidation Monday through Wednesday, and then Thursday finally had the push, but then obviously came back down again, and then Friday can't really say much about that. So yeah, it's all right, it's decent. USD CAD, again, coming to market, I was looking to buy. Price had the initial push Monday and Tuesday to the downside to this structure point. Wednesday's candlestick gave me this nice pin bar doji kit, whatever, yeah, pin bar candlestick closed up here. So I'm like, okay, cool. Coming to market on Thursday, I'm looking to buy. Nope, Thursday's candlestick just kept pushing to the downside, sold, finally closed below. Okay, Thursday's candlestick closed below. Now what am I looking to do? I'm looking to sell. So I'm waiting for the pullback here to sell. Price didn't give me that pullback, just kept selling. So yeah, this trade just kept going. Weekly, we are still technically bullish, but the daily we are bearish. 4 hour, we are bearish, and we're below the structure point. So we'll come back to that at the end. You notice every time I make a video, I'm burping. I don't know why. Euro USD. So this trade, initially I was looking to sell because we were below the structure point coming to the week, but I was like, hey, I can't take this trade. I can't take this sell on Monday. I need Monday's candlestick to close. Based on how Monday's candlestick closed, then I'll be looking to like figure out where I'm looking to do in the markets. And Monday's candlestick closed above here. So now coming to the market on Tuesday, I'm looking to buy. I look for a quick retest to continue to the upside. Price did give me that quick retest overnight, out of session, so I didn't take this trade because it was out of my time frame where I usually take trades. But Kim got the pullback and kept pushing up to the upside, and then I drew up this trend line. If you guys remember in a previous video, I had drawn up this trend line and waited for the break of it, so price gave me that break. And then coming to the market this week, I saw another trend line. It's actually cleaner on the 4 hour, and I'm like, okay, cool, price is gonna break that trend line, which it did, and then retested, kept going. So there was no setup for me to buy, and then price eventually pushed up to this structure point, and I think this is Wednesday, right? Yeah, Wednesday. So coming here, I was looking to sell. Price did give me the shifter structure on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minute and all that stuff. But this is why you be patient and you let the daily candlestick do its thing. So price did give me that shifter structure. So now, like, yes, daily is bullish, but we're at the structure point and we can potentially sell down from it. 4 hours bearish, 1 hour bearish, 30 minutes, all those lower time frames bearish. So now all I needed was like a good order block to pull back to. Unfortunately, oh yeah, so yeah, that was Thursday, that was Wednesday's candlestick close like that. So coming to a market Thursday, I needed a quick pullback to sell. Price did not give me that pullback. I actually destroyed this order block and just kept going up, and actually used it as a breaker block, sort of, and just keep pushing it up. So no trade on that. It's fine, right? You follow your trading plan, you stay focused. That's all you can do. And then price just kept pushing up. Thursday's gonna stay closed like this. And then Friday's candlestick, I don't like how Thursday's candlestick closed in the middle of the range. So Friday's candlestick, I was anticipating price would just close here and then come into the market next week. I would be looking to buy, but price just kept pushing up, broke above this level. So now coming to the market next week. Oh, actually, I'll talk about that at the end. JPUSD, same thing as Euro USD. Looking to sell initially. Price did give me. So Monday's candlestick had a push up here. Tuesday had a massive inverse pin bar candlestick, like the opposite of USD CAD. And then Thursday candlestick closed bearish, but I thought it was going to close below here. So coming to a market on Thursday, I would have been looking to sell. Same thing as Euro USD, be looking to sell. Obviously, price pushed up on Euro USD. Price also pushed up on GBP/USD. And then Friday's candlestick also pushed up and it just destroyed 1, 2, 3 zones. So yeah. Also, one thing I will be doing this weekend, probably like in a couple minutes or in a couple hours, is I'm going to be redoing my support and resistance zone, because like I feel like on GPUSD and I think ADUSD, like I have some good zones, but I feel like I need to reanalyze it and get some better ones. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spend time. So some of these lines might not be here next video. Just gonna edit that. But yeah, price had to push the upside, didn't give me an interest in to buy, so I wasn't looking to buy. And yeah, just let the markets cook. ADUSD, just what more do you want me to say? I was waiting for, yeah, this one just went. It just went. That's all I got. And then NZDSD, same thing. Last week I was looking to sell, coming to the market this week. Again, I was still looking to sell because we were below the structure point. We were still bearish. We were still retesting the neckline, the head and shoulders pattern. We were still retesting the round psychological level. We were below the EMA. All the companies make sense to sell. Obviously, price didn't give me an interest in it. I actually pushed up. Monday's candlestick closed above. So now that Monday's candlestick closed above, what did I need? A retest of the structure point and a buy to the upside. Price obviously never came back, gave me that retest, but kept pushing, so there was no trade to be taken. And then USD CHF, this is why I stay away from this pair. We're at all-time lows again. We actually just made a new all-time low again. So yeah, I don't really care about this. But good thing is, coming to the market next week, I see some great opportunities. So let's start off USD JPY. I will be looking to sell. And honestly, I'm not surprised about this one because what did I say? I think either last video or 2 videos ago, I said price, this is like all-time highs. So every time price comes up here, it always has a massive rejection. Obviously, at this point, it broke above, but came back again, massive rejection to the downside. Came back up here, massive rejection to the downside. Came up here, tested it, sell off. Came back here again, sell off, which we actually caught one of them. Yeah, so I caught this one right here. And then I was able to catch this buy up here. So then price again is at the structure point. Is it going to break above and keep going? Maybe, but most likely going to reject from it. So what did it do? It rejected from it. And I like this rejection. This is just a beautiful rejection on USDJPY. Like I literally, like this is just beautiful. Weekly bearish engulfing candlestick, engulf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 previous candlesticks, so that's 6 weeks right there. It just engulfed it in 1 week. Made an evening star pattern on the weekly as well. Daily. So weekly is bearish now because it broke below here. Daily is also bearish because it broke below here. This is the lower high, higher low, higher high. Price broke below. So this is the lower high, lower low. 4 hour is also bearish. We are below the structure point. So coming to the week next week, I'm looking to sell. I would wait for a quick pullback here, retest the zone, and then sell to the downside. USD CAD, literally the same thing as USD JPY. Weekly, we are still technically bullish, but I like that price gave me a nice evening star pattern. And weekly is bullish, but daily is bearish. So this is the high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, shifted structure. So this would be the lower high, and then kept going, lower low. Price is below the structure point. Literally coming to the week, retest here, drop, sell to the downside. That's what I'm looking for. Euro USD price on the candlestick, bullish morning, beautiful bullish morning star pattern. Broke the structure point here, broke this one as well. So coming to the market next week, retest of this level to push it to the upside. Simple. Same thing as GPSC. Price broke above these levels. Well, I'm gonna put some new levels on here, but retest to continue to the upside. ADSD, I'm gonna add some levels because I had to mark it up. Retest to continue to the upside, and then NZDUSD retest here to continue to the upside. And then USDCHF, I don't really care. Like we're at all-time lows. Like come on. Like yeah, I'm good. I'm staying up this. So yeah, really good trading week. This was a week of sitting on my hands and not actually getting engaged in the markets, right? And sometimes that's the best. Sometimes it's better not to take a trade than to take a trade. Like imagine if I had impulsively actually jumped into this trade to buy to the upside, and then Friday's candlestick did this. Now I'd be mad at myself because why? I broke my trading plan to try to rush into this trade just because I wanted to make money. I wanted to make some profits. That's not wise. But I thank my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I thank God for the patience, for the wisdom, for the guidance, for the self-control, the self-discipline, and yeah, I'm seeing progress in my trading, in my thinking, in the way that I act, the way that I trade. I'm getting better, and it's only a matter of time before the results start showing. It's only a matter of time before we start withdrawing consistent profits. I'm saying like 2K, 3K from the markets, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, stay focused, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Keep showing up, and just trust God with the rest. Right? Trust in the Lord with all of your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge Him in all of your ways, and He shall make your path straight. God bless you, and I pray that you have a fruitful week in the markets. Amen.